Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use cheat codes in GTA San Andreas on mobile, step by step. So, let's get started. First, launch GTA San Andreas on your mobile device. Once you're inside the game, tap the map icon in the top left corner of the screen to open the pause menu. Now, select options from the menu. At the top of the screen, you'll see several tabs. Tap on Accessibility tab. Scroll down until you see the Enter Cheat Code option. Tap on it, and a text box will appear on your screen. Now, simply type the cheat code you want to use. For this tutorial, I'll enter this cheat code as an example. Once you've entered the code, tap OK to confirm. If the cheat code is valid, it will be activated immediately, and you'll be able to use its effect in the game. That's all you need to do to enable cheat codes in GTA San Andreas on mobile. And that's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more quick and easy gaming tutorials like this. Also, if you have any questions or you're facing any issues, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.